It honestly doesn't matter. Like, this game's all random bullshit anyway, right? So I guess it doesn't really matter. Thanks so much. I was playing your build without the rat, but I think I'll try it out now. Nice. Good luck. Yeah, be creative. I mean, as long as you have some like consistent plan, you should be fine. But it's fine. There's the rat. So we want to identify what are the cards, what is available. They just cycled away a snake oil, so that's good information for me in that they don't want to have that many burn spells. Think about whether or not they can kill me and whether or not that extracts time. Hero powering honestly probably isn't that bad. What was the song before this one? There you go. Next turn. I really just had to take the risk. I'm thinking about relying on freeze weapons when playing against Demon Hunter and swapping out. Wait, I'm thinking of relying on freeze weapons when playing against Demon Hunter and swapping out Glacial Shards for Corpse Brides. Using Corpse Brides against mages might be good. I think Plagues are the priority, right? So we got minions out of their hands and then we did the thing. How exciting. I'm not going to heal, so there's no real incentive for this whole business. At least I'm canceling... I mean, I'm canceling this out, so... That part's not that bad, but if they recur a bunch of ice barriers, then that would be annoying. Fortunately, the hero power now will supplement that. We're pretty much just waiting now. I also don't want to play anything large, so we're probably never going to play Ziliax, never going to play Primus, because I don't want to give their armor guys value. Okay. But we did the thing with the Sith, blah, 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 blah. You know. Now we just sit here and wait. Too many cards, or too many decks revolve around, like, one individual thing. It leads to a lot of, like, stagnancy in the format. And considering it's only been the first couple of weeks, like... It's not a very good look, man. And now I gotta wait for this. Now that's where we're at. All right, thanks, champ. That kind of sucks. I kind of want to play this. I kind of want to play... Oh, never mind. I kind of wanted to play this so that I could try to manipulate the weapon so that it would try to target a minion there instead of giving them another ice barrier. But I genuinely have no clue how that thing works, so... Good luck with your games. Good night. Good night, dude. Thanks for stopping by. All right, this is the Ziliax deck. Again, revolves around one card, but fortunately, our deck revolves around the Threads of Despair this time around. ETC gives us Threads, which is valid. I need to find the poison dude so that I can clear out this. There's one last piece of this puzzle in the final activation. So I actually need to do it twice. So it's actually really good that we have the ETC. I need the coin. That's what we're learning. Good riddance, Bible Thump. I know. I know. This is one of those songs where you hear it for the first time when you're a kid and you're like, oh, okay, whatever. Like he's sad. And then you get older and it's like, oh, wait. That's what he was talking about. It's like, oh, no.